I almost burnt myself. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the setup. Before we start, boom, boy! Fucking 4 more computers here. Big Daddy. Alright guys, before, this is what my setup used to look like 6 months ago. And this is what it looks like now. Alright guys, welcome to the 2016 porn station. Anyways, let's start from the bottom and let's get to the top. Here is my new computer. Fuck yeah. Before, as you know, my computer was kind of retarded.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
But now you see my new baby right here. Her name is Bonquisha. Bonquisha has been serving me well for a couple of months now. Sexy, sleek, black, just the way I like it. You guys might tell this new desk, and this is what my old desk looked like.
What are those?
Anyways, now let's just get to the main shit. The keyboard's still the same, so let's just put that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If we just open this thing up, I have somebody's fucking mixtape here. If we just go down here, we got some random books and shit. As you see, guys, I tried my best to keep my wiring good, but still kind of shitty. If we just go up here, right here, we have Spectrum glasses. These glasses are made for gaming. Like, I look like a fucking nerd in this, but honestly, it helps my eyes be better. I don't know. Here are my fucking bestiality glasses right here. You see myself? Oh, how you doing? Here's my phone. I got a R Horse. Sounds like a R whore. Wireless mouse, and it's honestly the best for its price. Really good. Moving on, we got the Elgato Game Capture HD60 Pro. Honestly, this is the best you can get. It's not about being honest, it really is the best you can get. And it's installed into my computer, so whenever on my computer, right there, I can just record the game that's over there. And what you guys don't see in the setup is the PS4, but I'm about to bring it, wait. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the PS4. On top of it is FIFA 16. More on top of it is my controller. And now I'm on top of it. Moving on. Here we have some Be Excellent headphones. The guys from Be Excellent were kind enough to send this to me for free. But they're actually really good quality. And they're actually really good priced. This is it right here. Look at that shit. Fucking lights up. Moving on, we got my babe, my snow bunny, my white freak. Here is the Blue Snowball. By far the best mic for its price, and boom, I put a fucking mask on it. Moving on, here we got my Asus 750 Ti that I have installed to my computer. What can I say about this? It's fucking good. Excuse me. Here is my motherboard, the M5A78L MUSB3. They couldn't just call it like Asus, the cooler. What? Anyways, nice little motherboard here. Picked it up on Amazon, I think. But you see it has so many pictures. I was like, wow. This must be really good since it has so much pictures. But yeah, that's whoa, wait up. Boom! What y'all think I was recording my beautiful face with? Logitech C920, best out there. Thanks for my buddy Ruslan. Anyway, guys, as you know, I'm rocking the dual monitors here. I got this one little small bitch right here that I use for my computer, and this big boy for my PS4. As we know, if you guys have been a long subscriber, this is how I used to record my face. I put my phone up there, and I press record. Like, that's called fucking dedication. And I still have it up there just to memorize where I came from. You guys might know this light bulb because I have made out with it a couple times. Yeah, me and it are kind of over. Hey, how's it going there? A lot of people ask me what I record with and what I do it with. Here is my OBS, I record myself. Moving on, here's my Elgato recording system. Nothing's kind of hooked on right now. Moving on, here's Vegas Pro. Oh, come on, focus, bitch. Here is Vegas Pro. This is what I use for editing. A lot of people ask me what I do for editing. This is what I do. Moving on, here's my. Oh my God! Here is Photoshop. This is what I use to Photoshop custom thumbnails and shit. And that's pretty much. Okay. Okay. That's been it for Please don't tell my parents. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys like this setup, please leave a like, subscribe, and we're about to hit 2,000 subscribers, which is insane. And a Q&A video will be coming shortly, and I know you guys are gonna love that video. That's gonna be funny. Anyways, I'm gonna say bye to my fucking girlfriend right here. I love you, bitch. Yeah, like that, huh? You like that, don't you? Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love you.